Hey guys, welcome back to another ARIA SK Maths tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to use percentages in calculations. So a question might ask you, find 30% of, let's say, 70. That's actually a really bad example, but it's alright. So the best way to do this is, especially if you have access to a calculator, what you want to do is you literally just want to see this percentage sign as, if we just bring this over here, you literally just want to see this percentage sign as meaning times by 0.01. So if you see it like that, then it becomes really easy. So using this trick, what we can do is we can just rewrite this 30 times 0.01. And again, same kind of thing. When you see of, that literally just means multiplied by. So when you put these together, you replace percentage with times 0.01 and you replace of with multiply, then you get your calculation. And all you have to do to now complete this is you can just literally put this into a calculator. I'm not actually too sure what this is going to be, but it's going to be something like, we can use multiplication things and we can just say this is going to be 2100 times 0.01, which is equal to 21. So there's our answer, 21. Now you can see how easy that was if you just use the trick of replacing percentage and of times 0.01 and just times in general. So I'll show you guys how to use this for a slightly more simple example. Let's say we want to find 40% of 200. So let's use our trick from above. Let's replace percentage with times 0.01, of with multiply, like so. And now we can times these two first, so we get 40 times 2, and then we can just do that as 80. There's also some more slightly different ways of doing this. So let me rule it. Let's say we were given the calculation 36% of 50. So one trick, which I'm sure you've heard now, is you can actually just replace the order, because if we just convert these to multiply and plus, multiply 0.01 and just multiply, you see what happens is when we do this, we know that we can actually reverse or switch around the order when it comes to multiplication. So we can really just rewrite this as 50 times 0.01 times 36. And if we use this trick backwards now, we can now say this is 50% of 36. And you should know 50% just means a half, so that just comes out to 18. So that's a trick, really easy. You can literally just swap around these numbers. So 36% of 50 is the same as 50% of 36, just like that. And you can also do it with fractions if you want. So these are all just different ways to evaluate percentages, but honestly, if you have a calculator, I think this way is definitely the easiest. All you have to do is replace the percentage and of with times 0.01 and times respectively. Just type it in and you'll get your answer. If you don't have a calculator, there's some other tricks you should know. So I'll talk about fraction ones now. So let's think of another example. If you want to calculate 42% of 14. I'm not actually sure if I'm going to be able to do this one because some weird numbers, but we'll try anyway. So if we use the same trick like shown above, 42 times 0.01 times 14, but instead of just doing it like this, we can now use our fraction tricks. So we know 0.01 is the same as 1 over 100, so this is just 42 over 100 multiplied by 14, and that's just going to come out to whatever this is if you type this into your calculator. Not too sure at the moment, but you know, so hopefully you can see, you can just rewrite this 42% as just 42 over 100. Like so. So hopefully that makes sense. I've shared with you a few tricks on how to quickly and easily evaluate percentages. The most ideal would be to this one if you have access to a calculator, but if not, you can still use the other methods like this trick shown over here, as well as just writing it in fraction form and then possibly getting some simplifications. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye!